Hi everybody and welcome to this new video. Today you're going to learn how to say and how to pronounce a few onomatopoeias in French. First of all, I have to say that the word onomatopoeia is difficult to pronounce in English for French people like me, but I had to practice a little bit. But in French it's quite the same, but it's maybe less complicated. Let's say it's onomatopée. But anyway, let's have the first onomatopoeia together. ATCHOUM. ATCHOUM. ATCHOUM is said when you sneeze. In English, I think you have something quite similar, like a tissue or something like that. In French, that is also the name of one dwarf that is just in the Snow White film. It's like sneezy, of course. In French we say ATCHOUM. Next is really famous, I think, is COCORICO. 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 It's just the call of the rooster, France's emblem. Well, it is not as cool as a bald eagle, but I like it anyway. Well, it sounds quite funny in French. But if any English speaker could explain to me something like why cock-a-doodle-doo? This one I don't understand. Next is the second animal call. This is coming from the duck, actually. Is coin-coin. If you need to remind it, it's like saying a corner in French, because we say un coin. But it's twice, like coin coin. Next is aïe. Aïe is the onomatopoeia for ouch. So of course be careful, because it's like the subject pronoun in English. I is like je. So it is quite funny to realize that. And some extra info for this one is like there are many ways to pronounce it. Whether you want to express the fact that you're mad at somebody, you enlarge the sound e. It does something like aïe. Plus, if you want to show that it's gonna hurt, you see someone, for example, that is gonna he or she is gonna fall, for example, you can repeat it quickly 3 times, like aïe aïe aïe. Aïe 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 is really common in some parts of France, and it's quite funny to say it because you know it's gonna hurt and you're just anticipating the pain. Well, next one is CHUT, meaning hush. The use is quite the same, and you can also say shh, like in English. The last one is TOC-TOC. You use it the same way as knock knock in English. You can say TOC-TOC while knocking at the door, for example, to check if someone is in the room. Or, and here you have to be careful, when you say that someone is TOC-TOC, it means that he or she is not. So, that's all for today. So, thanks for watching, and see you next time. À la prochaine!